of the first 3 people to do that, you might get a shout out in the next video. So anyway, let's get into making the guacamole. Alright, now we need to talk about the ingredients we will need. So first off, I need the main ingredient, which will be an avocado. This is the main ingredient, but we will also need a tomato. And next we're going to need a jalapeno. And of course we're also going to need an onion. Now we need the juice of 1 lime. And of course we're going to need our potato masher to mash up the guacamole. Now let's get into making the guacamole. Alright, now we need to cut the avocado in half and take out the pit. Alright, now that it's cut in half, we need to take out the pit because you don't want to eat the pit. That is not good. So we can take this out, just like squeeze it, and then you can lightly take it out, just like that. Alright, now we need to transfer the avocado into a bowl. The easiest way to get out is with a spoon, so I'll show you how to do it. Scoop all around the edges, and then you can plop it out just like this. And you got clean avocado, but of course you can scrape the sides out too. Alright, now that we have our avocado in the bowl, we need to mash it. See how easy that was? Now let's get into cutting the rest of the vegetables for our guacamole. Together. First, you're going to add your jalapenos. I like the heat, so I kept the seeds in, but while you're cutting, you can keep the seeds out. So let's get these in here. Next, we want our tomatoes, which we've cut. So we can put these in here. And now we need our onions. I like to call these little onion nuggets because we cut them so finely and they look like little nuggets. Instead of when they're roughly chopped, they're like more like French fries. And now you need Alright, now to put the guacamole together, we have combined all of our ingredients into the bowl right here. And you need to add a squeeze of lime and a pinch of salt, which we have right here. So let's put that in. Alright, now that we've transferred it to the serving bowl, let's see how this delicious guacamole tastes. So let's get this, and let's see. This is some really good guacamole. It is absolutely perfect. So I hope this video has encouraged you to try this recipe at home, because it is amazing. Alright, thank you all so very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed, and I hope this video has encouraged you to try this recipe at home. And remember, Kitchen Squad, the first 3 people to subscribe and comment down below, Kitchen Squad will get a shout out in the next video. And I hope you have enjoyed, and subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of new videos. I'll see you in the next video.